Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, January 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. How are you?
I am okay. I am a little tired.
Me too. It is Friday.
Yes, finally. I need this coffee.
Is the coffee fresh?
I think so. It smells good.
Great. I need a big cup.
Do you want sugar?
No, thanks. Just black coffee.
You are strong. I need 2 sugars.
2 sugars? That is a lot.
I need the energy. I have a meeting in 1 hour.
Is it a sales meeting?
Yes, I have to sell 50 units today.
Good luck. You can do it.
Thanks. So did you see the news?
Which news?
The news about technology, it is crazy.
No, I was very busy yesterday.
I read it in the Washington Post.
What does it say?
It is about a new headband.
A headband? Like for sports?
No, for sleeping. It is very strange.
What does it do?
It records your dreams.
Really? That sounds impossible.
It is real. It uses sensors.
So you can watch your dreams later?
Yes, you connect it to your computer.
That is incredible.
It is cool, but also scary.
Why is it scary?
Imagine if someone hacks your computer.
Oh, I see. They can see your secrets.
Exactly, my dreams are very weird.
Mine too. I do not want people to see them.
The article says it costs $400.
That is expensive.
Yes, but people want to buy it.
It is a big privacy problem.
I agree, but imagine the sales.
You are always thinking about sales.
It is my job. I see a product, I think of money.
I think about the data. Where does the video go?
To the cloud, I think.
That is dangerous. I prefer to forget my dreams.
Me too, especially the bad ones.
Did you read anything else?
Yes, I saw a story in the New York Times.
Was it about the schools?
Yes, you saw it too?
Yes, it is a big topic today.
The government wants a 4-day school week.
It is very controversial.
My kids are very happy.
Of course, they want a long weekend.
But I am worried.
Why are you worried?
If they are home on Friday, who watches them?
That is the problem for parents.
I work on Fridays, you work on Fridays?
We all work on Fridays.
So I need a babysitter.
And babysitters cost money.
Exactly. It saves money for the school.
But it costs money for the families.
The article says it saves energy too.
Yes, the schools use less electricity.
That is good for the planet.
But it is bad for our schedule.
I cannot work with my kids at home.
They are too noisy?
Yes. They play video games all day.
Maybe they can learn at home.
No, they just eat and play.
It is a difficult situation.
The article says 60% of parents are angry.
I understand them. It changes everything.
Do you think it will happen?
Maybe. The government wants to save budget.
I hope not. I like my quiet Fridays.
Me too. The office is quiet today.
Speaking of money, did you see the Wall Street Journal?
I saw the headline this morning.
It is huge news for business.
You mean the currency fix?
Yes, the euro and the dollar.
They are fixing the rate, right?
Yes, 1 euro equals $1 now.
Permanently?
Yes, no more changes.
That is very interesting for projects.
It is good for my sales.
Why is it good for you?
Because the price is always the same.
It is stable, that is true.
I sell to customers in Europe.
And now the math is easy.
Exactly. $100 is 100 euros.
But some economists are not happy.
Why not? It is simple.
It controls the market too much.
The article says it stops inflation.
That is the goal, but it is risky.
I like it. I hate calculating exchange rates.
It helps with planning budgets.
See, you are a project manager.
Yes, I like stability.
But travel is different now.
How is it different?
Europe is not cheap for us anymore.
And the US is not cheap for them.
It is exactly the same.
It changes the global economy.
Do you think it will last?
I do not know. 10 years maybe?
I hope so. I like easy math.
You are funny, David.
I am practical. Simple is good.
The coffee is almost finished.
Oh no, my cup is empty.
Do you want more?
No, 1 cup is enough.
I need to go back to my desk.
Me too. The phone is ringing.
Is it a client?
I hope so. I need those sales.
Remember the new prices.
Yes, $1 is 1 euro.
Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks, Alex. Good luck with your project.
Thank you. It is a busy day.
Let's meet for lunch later.
Maybe if I finish my report?
Okay, text me later.
I will. Have a good morning.
You too. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.